So the pain au chocolat, fig bites, which is new thing, seasonal. Pain au chocolat, sausage rolls, almond croissants, chocolate brownies, and the cinnamon bun hidden in here. And bread, Santa sourdough and French stick, which is baguette. I had a class this week, so I made some baguette. I'm back at my usual spot on Friday at the Bull car park. So on Fridays I go to the Bull car park, which is here I am now, from 8:15 to 9:15, and from after 9:15 I'll go to Nigel's, which is country club here in Sevenoaks in the UK. So yeah, I had a class this week, so I made some baguette special to bring them in, and people like them.
Morning.
Morning.
Back to the fans.
Back to the fans, yes. Not so many so far yet.
Oh, they're fig.
The figs.
They're beetroot. Is that a plain croissant?
There's plain pain au chocolat.
Can I get a plain croissant?
Of course.
No sweet sourdough?
No.
And I'll take a sourdough.
Sourdough. Plain sausage roll and sourdough.
Have you seen Mark and Sue, do you know, with the big white dog?
Yes. Yeah.
Back?
They were here, yes. They were here. Yes. Yeah, they were here. Unless, I think they come back from a walk. I think, unless they go. I'm not sure unless they go. Yeah, they were here. Fig bites. Figs. Fig and goat cheese. Cinnamon bun, sausage roll.
Are they
Plain and pain au chocolat.
Are they just plain?
Yeah, just plain, yeah.
I get just 2 pain au chocolat.
Of course.
Do a simple job.
Okay. No. Good morning. I was looking at my watch, I was like, is it 9 yet? Literally, I did.
I've got such a busy day today. I'm right, I've got to make some effort. Now, this has been spoken about. So I'm going to have to take... I shouldn't be greedy, I should leave some for other people. I'll just take 2. Otherwise,
take
everybody will rock up.
No, it's alright. Take as many as you go.
This lady took them all. Yeah, if I take 2.
Yeah, 2, yeah, there's 2 in there.
Okay. And then I have an almond croissant and a cinnamon bun.
Of course.
Yeah, we were all talking about those yesterday.
Ah.
I was like, well, I've got to go to work early, so there might still be some there. So it must be like smoke signals.
Cinnamon.
It must be like smoke signals going out. Leo's got
Yes. Yes. Cinnamon. There's cinnamon, almond, and 2 figs.
Hey, we will have breakfast.
Yeah, they're the first time I'm doing it. I had lots of figs, so I'm gonna do something with them, and then.
Yeah, that's pretty special. They have a lot of figs. I've got my friend gave me some cuttings of fig trees.
Yes.
So now, they all took. So I've now got 5. So the tallest one's about that tall now, and I've got to put them in bigger pots.
Bigger pots, yes.
I'm sure it'll be a few years before I get any figs.
Yeah, a few years, yeah. Yeah, so future's bright.
Yeah. I think patience is the name of the game with
That's right, yes.
See you soon.
Hey, see you soon, have a good weekend.
Bye.
Fig bites, figs and goat cheese.
Goat cheese, right, okay, well, I'll have 2 of those.
Sure.
A baguette and a country sourdough.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you. Morning.
Brown sourdough, please.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Morning.
How are you?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, very well, thank
Good.
you.
Good.
Can I get, I'm just getting an order from somebody.
Sure.
Can I get a sourdough for Anna? Just any sourdough. And can I get a big bite and a brownie, please?
Of course.
Brilliant.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Have a
Thank
good
you. Have a good
weekend.
day.
Take care.
Hi.
Morning.
Vin.
Good. Good. You?
Yeah, all right, thank you. No wasps. Can I get a sourdough?
Sure.
cinnamon, please,
Gosh.
and almond croissant.
Morning.
Yeah, I wonder where they all went then. Maybe it was
Yeah.
the rain.
Ah, yes, could be. 2 cinnamon,
2 cinnamon and an almond croissant.
almond croissant, and sourdough.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm happy about it, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain.
No, no. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
I've run all the way to see you.
Wow, thank you.
How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you, good. Have you got any country sourdough?
Yes, you do.
If I have one of those, please.
Of course.
And I think I'll take a sausage roll as well.
That's for sure.
Sorry. Is that your fig?
That one, it's a fig.
Oh, that's the fig. That's nice.
Ah, I see you on my email list.
I am on your email list.
Ah,
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah, I'm on the email list. Well, all the nice smells.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
nice to
Have a
see
good
you.
day.
Bye.
One in.
Can I get a pain au chocolat,
Of
a
course.
sausage roll, and a cinnamon roll?
So. There we go.
Oh, I guess wasp season is over.
Yeah, looks like it. I'm hoping to keep that way.
Sorry, probably jinxed it. Have a good day.
Thank you too.
Bye.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, thanks.
So we got fig bites, white. What else? There's almond. One almond, isn't it?
One, I think it was 2 fig.
Yes. Ah, cinnamon.
Cinnamon and
That's
one
cinnamon.
signature. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Been running?
Yeah. I don't enjoy it, I've got to be honest. No, it's good for me.
Good the benefits, yeah, to get the benefits. That's, I think sometimes you have to do it, even though you don't enjoy it, for the sake of the benefits.
Yeah, exactly. And to be fair, even though I don't enjoy it, I do feel a lot better afterwards.
Yeah, it makes a difference. It makes such a difference. Running, it makes such a difference.
I
Yeah.
think particularly if you do sort of exercise in the morning, it kind of puts you in a good mood.
It
like,
does.
For the rest of the day.
For the day, yeah,
doesn't
it does. It does make a
So it's
difference.
good. And the sunshine.
You can't complain. When it's cold, okay, I
Yeah.
might skip a run, but day like this is fantastic.
No, it's perfect.
It feels good. It's literally, I don't know what about the running, but it really makes a difference.
Yeah,
It
it
does
does.
make such a
Yeah.
difference.
I do yoga as well, so the sort of
Stretch
stretching
and
and
run,
running
yeah,
together
combo.
is quite a good combination. Yeah.
It is.
Anyway, I better go. You're quiet today.
It's a bit
you?
quieter today, yeah. It's a little bit quieter than other Fridays.
Yeah, so I guess maybe the road as well. People are not.
Is it closed, that one, isn't it?
The one to Shoreham is closed.
Can you go that way?
You can go towards Sainsbury's.
Ah,
yeah.
can you back? So I can't go back this way then?
Yeah, they're closing that one in a couple of weeks, I think.
In the beginning? They will close.
Yeah. They will
The
close.
20-something.
Yeah, but they're
23rd,
gonna.
I think.
I've been coming this way thinking it's closed. It's not closed then
No,
yet.
that one's not. So the one up by the station towards Shoreham is closed, but the one to Sainsbury's is not.
So I'll go back this way then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Much
once
more
they
efficient.
Yes.
reopen that one, then they'll close that
They
one.
closed this one, yeah.
But not yet.
Thank you.
Have a good week.
Thank you.
Hiya, could
Hey,
I have 3 of your
sourdough.
sourdough, please?
course.
White, regular. Where do you get these fans?
Amazon.
Oh, perfect for what I need. Oh, do you want? Sorry,
That's fine.
Leo, I wasn't thinking.
Put one here and then one here.
That's
There you
grand. Lovely.
Sure.
I'm in place of my mum today,
Huh?
Sally.
Ah, you Sally's son. Yeah, that's right. Now I recognize you. Where is she? Is she?
She's just got to stay in the house just Sunday, and then she's coming with me to the charity shop.
Ah, yes. You volunteering, are you? Yes.
Yeah, just helping out for.
That's good. That's good. There you go. Well done. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. So I just got back from a pop-up, and today is Saturday. I've been to Niger's, where I go after I finish pop-up on Friday to Niger. So I just got back here, and I was thinking yesterday wasn't the best day, like in terms of business. It was quiet, and I was thinking about is like you can't judge a day based like today based on yesterday. Yesterday event. You forget about it. It's history. You can learn some stuff, but you can't totally judge today based on yesterday. Why I'm saying that? Like as I mentioned, it was quiet yesterday, and today when I get me, I could have thought I'm gonna bake based on what happened yesterday, maybe based less quantity of product. But I just went based on what I planned to do this week, and I went for that. I went to nice, and it was a good day. I sold out. So it's business. You have to. So it's a gamble basically. You either do what you're supposed to do, what you have originally planned, or you can maybe think, oh, the experience I had yesterday, and use that experience for your next move. What's your take on that? What would you do? Would you just gamble, or would you based on yesterday experience? So like say next Friday, what am I supposed to do in terms when I go back to Nice to the Bull car park? Should I bake based on last Friday, or just based on what I think is best? Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this type of video. If you enjoy my content, you want to support, subscribe. Peace.